Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Flex. So guys, follow this video till the end, and this is easy step you can do. First, open Ledger Flex and choose the any coin to want to transfer. If you want to Solana, choose Solana. If you want to another one, choose another one here from add account. And after that, click this option guys, receive. And from here, what you have to do is scan this QR code and copy address, as you can see here on the screen. And after that, guys, when you copy your code, click verify your address here, as you can see here on my screen. Wait, guys, just wait. Click this one, as you can see here. Click edit address, verify your address, and after that, guys, what you have to do, just click verify address, and from here, choose this option, guys, more flex, this option. And from here, what you have to do, verify address and copy this Ledger Flex address. And after that, go to Robinhood and click this icon and choose the cryptocurrency from here. And after that, click send, this option. And what you have to do, just click scan this QR code from Ledger Flex. And this is how you can do, guys. This is easy step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on another video soon. This is easy step you can do, guys.